channel. In this video, we will be going to talk about Google Assistant and some cool tricks related to Google Assistant. In the last video, we have discussed about Voice over Internet Protocol, and thank you guys for sharing and liking that video. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll post that in the description box below. You can check and share more. So let's start with the video in which we are going to talk about Google Assistant and how it evolved, what is basically Google Assistant. So let's start. Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smartphone devices. But before Google Assistant comes into picture, we have Google Now, which was based on card-based system that read your mails, reminders, location, and give you the result before you ask. For example, the cards are like birthday card, movie card, etc. It was available on Android 4.1 and above, that is Jelly Bean. In 2016, Google Allo, a messaging app, and Google Home voice-activated speakers were launched, and in that series in 2017, a two-way conversation Google Assistant was launched, and it is available for Android Marshmallow and above. In this trick, we will be going to see that how you can search for mails from the specific sender, or from a specific date to a specific date, or from any specific year. So we must start the trick by saying, "Okay Google, show me my mails from Zomato."
Here's the email that I found.
Okay, so these are the mails that I have got from the specific sender. You can just say, "Show me my mails from dash." That's mean the sender that you want to search for. Now you can also search for the specific year from which you want to search. For example, show me my mails from March 2019.
Here's the email that I found.
Okay, so this was a mail that I got on 31st March in 2019. So I hope. Okay, so we will be starting with the trick number 2 by now. In trick number 2, I'll be going to tell you that how you can set reminders. For example, you are going to leave for your office, for your college, and you have to return your book in your college library, or you have to submit the papers in your office. So you can set up a reminder to the Google Assistant so that when you reach to the specific place, she reminds you. So let's see how we can do that. So we can do so by saying, set a reminder.
What's the reminder?
Remind me to return book when I reach home.
It looks like I don't have your house address. Let's fix that. What's the address?
Okay, so you
Sorry,
can.
what's your house address?
Wait. Okay, so you can set your house.
I can't seem to find this address. You can also set your house address in Assistant settings.
Okay, so you can set your address if you want to return your book in your college, your office, or any address. Just set the reminder. Whenever you reach that location, she'll remind you. It'll remind you about it will remind you about your doings and let you know. Okay, so I hope it's the best time to move to the trick number 3 of the Google Assistant. I hope you understanding till now. If you face any problem, just comment in the comment section below and let me know. Okay, so trick 3 is about creating routines. Routines as if like when you sleep, it's a common routine that you decrease your brightness, decrease your volume. So how about Google do all that? Google Assistant do all that. So we can do that by saying, create routine.
To set a routine, tap routines below. Opt for step-by-step instructions, tap more info.
Okay, so what we'll be doing, we are going to select on routines. And if you want any of the routine, I'm going to select bedtime routine. Okay, so in bedtime I have put phone on a silent, tell me tomorrow's weather one day before, at the night and adjust media volume. You can add your own actions here. So till now I am just adjusting the media volume and putting my phone on silent. So these are done. Okay. So whenever you say good night Google, it will automatically tell those things, do those things. Good night Google.
Sure. In Delhi tomorrow, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 36 and a low of 29.
Okay.
Good night, Shivam.
Oh, thank you. So you can see she has done three things. Number one, good night Shivam told me that tomorrow's weather and playing a countryside sound so that I have a good night's sleep. So you can create your own routine as much. For example, wait, create routine.
To set a routine.
Uh-huh. So here are the type of routines that you can check through: good morning routine, bedtime routine, I am home routine. So you can check it out, all these. Talk about the last trick for this video. I'm sure that you're gonna love this trick. As if you listen any music, you just write in the lyrics anywhere so that you can search when you reach home, or you type on the lyrics on the YouTube or any third-party application so that you can search. How about Google Assistant search, listen to the music, and then tell you and recognize the song? So we can do that by just playing the song first. So if you want to detect that what's the song, just say what's the song you're listening to. For example, if I type what's the song, here is listening to the song or any sound that comes from the nearby. So it's listening. I have paused the sound for now. So let's play that again. Okay, so it's okay. It's Memory by Maroon 5. Okay, so this was all for this video. If you have tried this trick, do tell me in the comment section below. And do like and share my video. Thanks for watching.